Thank you, second speakers, and hello everyone. I'm Solowati as a third speakers, or last of speakers. Now I will explain about brain. Brain is one of the important organs that located in humans' head. They composed of neurons, nerve cells that are the basic information processing units the nervous system. The human brain system can be divided into three, namely the first is the cerebrum, second is the cerebellum, and the third is the brain stem. The cerebrum is part of the brain that is most important in language activities. The part of the cerebrum directly involved in language processing is the cerebral cortex. The second is the cerebellum. Is located at the back, just below the occipital lobe, and the cerebellum also plays a role in body balance, posture, and equalization of left and right brain function. And the last is the brainstem. The brainstem is the part of the brain that is located in front of the cerebellum and connects to the nervous system in the spine. Well, now I will explain about language areas in the brain. The first is Broca's area. Broca's area is used to produce production of speech. It was possible to localize physiological function to brain convolutions, and also Broca's area is said to have a motor representation of speech. The second is Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area is the posterior part of the first or superior temporal gyrus. Adjacent areas or part of the angular gyrus, the supramarginal gyrus, and the second temporal gyrus are included. First, temporal convolution. Language comprehension disrupt. Important parts of Wernicke's theory are the identification of symptom complex, the idea about flow of information, and last, the idea of representation. Wernicke's area is said to have an auditory sound representation of speech. The third is motor cortex. Motor cortex is an area that generally controls movement of the muscles or for moving hands, feet, arms, and etc. Close to Broca's area is the part of the motor cortex that controls the articulatory muscles of the face, jaw, tongue, and larynx. Evidence that this area is involved in the physical articulation of speech. And the last is arcuate fasciculus. Arcuate fasciculus, a white matter tract that connects Broca's area and Wernicke's area throughout the temporal, parietal, and frontal lobes, allows for coordinated, comprehensible speech.